welcome to one of the past HSC exam question videos. What I'll do in this video is cover the past 7 HSC exam questions, multiple choice questions from the second context point. What I'll do in a second, I'll read the actual 7 questions, 4 per page, and then you pause the video after you've kind of looked at the actual questions, after I've read the questions, attempt the questions, and when you're ready, press play and I'll go over the answer itself. So the first 4 questions are: if campers have to drink water from a creek, which is the best way of making the water safe to drink? A. Boil the water for 5 minutes. B. Filter the water through a clean shirt. C. Collect the water and let it stand in a clean container. D. Expose the water to the sun's ultraviolet rays for 2 hours. Number 1. Which of the following statements can be used to describe a pathogen? They are all viral, they are all infectious, they are all microscopic, they are all macroparasites. Which water treatment best reduces the risk of infection by killing pathogens in drinking water? Chlorination, filtration, fluoridation, precipitation. How does cleanliness in food preparation and cleanliness in personal hygiene assist in the control of disease? They reduce the microflora, they reduce transmission of pathogens, they stop the transfer of dirt between people, they stop food that contains bacteria from being eaten. So when you're ready, pause the video and attempt a question. Welcome back. Alright, so for the first one, the answer would have been boiling water for 5 minutes. Filtering water for a shirt would not be good enough to get anything done. Also, collecting water and let it stand is not going to be good enough. Exposing the water to ultraviolet rays might cause some mutations in some of those, and maybe might even kill some, but not all of them. So the best thing to do is definitely boil the water for 5 minutes. Pasteurization will kill most of those. And then in terms of these ones, we've got they are all infectious would have been the correct answer. Not all pathogens are viral, they're bacterial ones and other ones, they're not all true. They're all microscopic, is incorrect. Macroparasites is macro means seeable by the eye, and they're also pathogen. And they're all macroparasites is also false. Some can obviously be viruses or bacteria. This one we've got chlorination as the correct answer. That's the best way to kill pathogens. Filtration maybe kills a couple, but it's not the best way. Fluoridation is it helps teeth become strong, it doesn't kill, and precipitation is also incorrect. In this case, we've got it reduces transmission of pathogens. Remember, transmission means going from one place to the next. Reducing microflora is not correct. They stop the dirt, no, that's completely random. And the last one is also incorrect because if you've got personal hygiene, it doesn't stop people from contaminating. There will be some actual food that contains bacteria. So just by using cleanliness and good hygiene doesn't mean you completely reduce it, but it does mean that you do reduce it somewhat. So the reduction of transmission of pathogen is the correct answer. Alright, so next question, there's 2 questions here, 3 questions, actually it's 2. The first one says the table lists types of microbes identified in cheeseburger prepared at an outdoor market. These are the types of microbes. Would it be safe to eat cheeseburger? In A, no, food should be completely free of microbes. B, no, lactobacillus and Saccharomyces are highly pathogenic. C, yes, organisms that grow in or on our human body do not cause disease. D, yes, most food we eat are contaminated by different types of microbes. And question 8, recycling of sewage so that it can be used as drinking water is one possible solution to the current shortage in Australia. Which of the following would health authorities be concerned about? A, the change to the taste of water. B, the risk of infection from pathogens will increase. C, the reluctance of the greater general public to drink sewage water. D, the effect the water with sediments could have been on the plumbing system. Now, so when you're finished reading the questions, pause the video and then attempt the question and press play when you're ready. Welcome back. In this case, the actual correct answer for number 11 is D, and the other one in terms of number 8 is B. So the reason why D is correct is because yes, most of our food is contaminated by different types of microbes. Most of them are harmless, but they generally are contaminated even if we try our hardest. C is false because some do actually cause disease if they get into us. The ones that grow on our skin can cause disease if they get onto our body. This one's wrong because it says saccharomonas are highly pathogenic, and these are baker's yeast. Baker's yeast is not highly pathogenic, and no food should not be completely free of microbes. We said earlier it's basically impossible to have them free of microbes completely. Now, in terms of the recycling of sewage, the problem is there could be bacteria in that actual sewage, which is why there needs to be a risk of infection from pathogen would increase, and thereby needs to be extra care taken by the Australian government to make sure that that doesn't get any further in terms of causing problems. So all the other ones are incorrect. That was it. There was just 6 questions. Hopefully that was useful.